Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us the quickest way to solve this nested radical equation solution. Alright, so the first thing we do is to square both sides, okay? To remove the first square root, we square this side and we square the other side too. Okay, so we square this side and we also square this side. Alright, so the square here will cancel the square root. Then I have x plus square root of 2x minus 3 equals to square of this is 9. Okay, we're going to move this x to the other side. Then this becomes square root 2x minus 3 equals to 9 minus x. Now we're going to consider our domain to have valid solutions. So our domain now, our domain is x must be less than or equals to 9. It means any value of x we are getting should be less than or equals to 9. Anything above 9 will give invalid solution. All right, so let's continue. We're going to square this side again. All right, so we're going to square this side again. We're going to square both sides, this side, and also square the other side, so that this square can remove the square root. Then we have 2x minus 3 equals to, it means we're going to write this in two places. So 9 minus x, and then we write it again, 9 minus x. All right, so let's expand that. Let's expand it. That will be 9 times 9 will give you 81. Then we have minus 9x, we have minus 9x, and then we have plus x squared. Right, so from here we have 2x minus 3 equals to 81. Minus 9 will give minus 18x, then plus x squared. Right, so let's move 2x minus 3 to the other side, and we are starting with x squared. So we have x squared, we have minus 18x, then we move this 2x, it becomes minus 2x, we have plus 81, we move this plus 3, minus 3, then it becomes plus 3, everything equals 0. Right, so now we have x squared, this is minus 20x, minus 18 minus 2 is minus 20, and then we have plus 84, everything equals 0. Right, so let's factorize this. Let's factorize. Okay, so when we factorize this, we have x squared minus 6x minus 14x plus 84 equals 0. Alright, because minus 6 minus 14 will give minus 20, and minus 6 times minus 14 will give plus 84. Right, so then what is common? The first pair, what is common? X is common, we write it. So we have x minus 6. What is common here? Minus 14 is common. Then we have x minus 6. Everything equals 0. You know, this times this gives this times this gives this. Minus 14 times x gives this. Minus 14 times minus 6 gives plus 84. Then we'll pick this and this, join it together. So we have x minus 14, and we'll pick one of the two brackets, x minus 6, everything equals 0. All right, so equate each bracket to 0. So we have x minus 14 equals 0, and then also we have x minus 6 equals 0. All right, so it means x equals to 14 or x equals to 6. Now remember our domain. Remember that I said, recall that our x must be less than or equals to 9. Okay, so anything more than 9, higher than 9 is not a valid solution. So we have x equals to 14. This is invalid. Therefore, the only valid answer we have is x equals to 6. And that is our final answer. All right, so let's try something very similar. Let's try this. Okay, let's solve square root. We have x plus root 3x minus 5 equals to 4. All right, so let's solve that and write our answer in the comment section. All right, thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.